Enjoy a better way to explore, order, and reserve all in one place. Introducing the Truffle User app. With the Truffle User app, users can easily browse the complete restaurant menu, including categories, individual items, and combo offers, all from their mobile device. When a user selects any menu item, a detailed item screen is displayed. This screen provides complete information about the item, including the item name, price, description, taste profile, ingredients, and any complementary items included with the order. If the selected item includes customization, users can easily choose from available modifiers, serving sizes, and options based on their preferences. Once customized, the item can be added to the cart. If no customization is required, the user can directly add the item to the cart. As items are added, the cart updates in real time. To place the order, the user proceeds to the checkout screen, where all order details are clearly displayed, including selected items, quantities, pricing, and total amount. After verifying the details, the user can choose from multiple payment options, including cash, card, UPI, and credit. For cash payments, the order is placed instantly. For card and UPI payments, a secure payment gateway is opened where users can enter the required details and complete the transaction. Once the payment is successfully processed, the order is automatically placed. For credit payments, if the restaurant allows credit transactions and the user has sufficient credit balance, the order can be completed using the available credit. Once the order is placed, users can view it in the My Orders section, where they can track the status of their order in real time, especially for delivery orders. In addition to ordering, users can also book reservations for food and play directly from the app, allowing them to reserve tables or slots in advance before visiting the restaurant. With a seamless browsing experience, easy ordering flow, flexible payment options, and integrated reservations, the Truffle User app enhances the overall customer experience and brings convenience directly to the user's fingertips. The Truffle User app helps businesses increase direct orders, improve customer engagement, and reduce dependency on third-party platforms, all from a single, branded solution. The Truffle User app is part of the complete Truffle ecosystem. Here's a look at the full range of solutions we offer. Experience smarter ordering and reservations with the Truffle User app. Start your 30-day trial. Thank you.